You can see here that I got a WhatsApp notification and the RGB light is flashing green, same as the color of WhatsApp icon. Now I received a PhonePe notification and the light is flashing purple, same as the color of the PhonePe icon. Welcome to All About Apps, and in this video I am going to show you the customization of RGB lighting, and all these can be done from settings. Go to notification panel and open the lighting settings by holding on the system lighting. The settings are divided into two parts, one of them being atmospheric and the other is information settings. The current atmosphere is screen on and this is the light displayed. When the music option is turned on, the RGB light will flash as per the rhythm of the music. Let me show you. When the X mode is turned on, you can display a constant color and you have a variety of colors to choose from, and to change the color just move the slider on left side. In the strobing option, you will be seeing the blinking effect. Here as well you have a variety of colors you can choose from. At the bottom you can choose the brightness of light and you get a very good haptic feedback when you move the slider, and you can see the difference as I am moving it. You can also select the rate at which you want the light to blink, and there are three options here. The breathing effect is same as strobing, but in this case you will be seeing the light fading on and off. As in previous styles, here as well you have a slider on left to change the color and a slider on right to choose the light and dark version of the same color. Here as well you can change the brightness and rate. The last option what we have is the color cycle, and is one of my favorite. In this case the RGB light follows the color sequence from top to bottom. Here you can only set the rate at which you want the color to change. Two more cases in atmospheric lighting is when the screen is on and off, and in both the cases you can select any of the four effects. In boot up option we have a constant red color breathing effect and we cannot change anything in this case. Similarly, we cannot change anything when we connect external accessories or when the phone is ringing. You also have a games option here and we cannot change anything here as well. But when we are on call, we have the option of selecting the four effects, which are static, strobing, breathing and color cycle. While selecting the four effects, you can change the rate, brightness and colors, whatever I said before. Even when the phone is getting charged, the RGB lighting will flash different colors as per the battery level. But we have only two options here, which is kind of a letdown because of the level of customization we saw previously. In mode 1 it will flash 3 colors and in mode 2 it will flash 2 colors. In both the modes you can see the light only when the battery is above 5%. One of my favorite setting is notification, and in this case you can choose the color for all the apps notification or individual colors for each of the application. For adding new colors, tap on customization and you can see the settings icon highlighted, and once you tap on it you can see the existing lighting color for each of the app, and to add more tap on the plus button. Now you can see the list of applications in the phone and tap on any of them to add. Automatically the app will be assigning a color, and to change it tap on the app and it will open the color change settings. Change the color here by moving the slider and tap on customize. You also have the option of deleting any added color. When you go back, you can see one more delete button on top right, and you can delete any custom notification by making the selection. Once done, tap on tick to confirm. Here you have a reminder period and you can select as per your convenience. It's good to see that there is an always option. I'm not sure how much useful these lighting settings will be, but it is good to show off. If you have another ROG phone, you can sync the settings, but make sure both the devices are connected to same Wi-Fi. So guys, please subscribe to All About Apps and let me know in comments if you have any questions and leave a like. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.